I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine. Oh, oh. I am not the enemy. No need to run and hide.
Hi everyone, it's Kezzie over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kezia. I'm so happy that you found my channel and I hope that you get to stay here and press the subscribe button, which is down below, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you to everyone who supported my channel. A little bit about me. My name is Kezia. I am 24 years old and I'm currently living in Scotland and doing my master's in health psychology. So yeah, I want to do a video about like moving away from home and then, you know, experiencing Scotland basically, and experiencing living alone, living in an accommodation on my own, and just, you know, doing a master's abroad. So if you would like to see a video like that, please leave me a comment down below so I will know whether or not you would like to watch a video like that from my channel. So today's video is going to be about a brand which is fairly new and it's called Profusion Cosmetics, and I reached out to them and they were kind enough to send out 3 of their products, which I am so grateful for, and I'm so excited to share with you guys my first impressions on them and what I think about the products. So they gave me also a little note which says, "Dear Kezia, please find and close some Profusion goodies. We hope you love." From Holly. So thank you so much, Holly, and thank you so much to Profusion Cosmetics. Basically, this is quite a well-known brand in the US. However, it has just launched in the UK, and I would leave a link to their website down below. It ships to England, obviously, and to some other countries, but at the time being, for Malta, those of you who are my Maltese followers, it's not shipping to Malta for now as of yet, as I'm sure of. If it is, I will leave something in the description box, but it will be definitely in the future because they have said that to me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started into this video. So what I have on my face right now is just my face makeup. So I have primer, foundation, concealer and powder. That's it. And the rest we're going to use some products from Profusion Cosmetics. So the first thing that I have, I just want to say something about the packaging. They all come in these like metallic, not metallic, like these boxes, which remind me, I guess, I don't know if it's metallic, I think it is, which reminds me of the Urban Decay, the Naked palettes. Like this really reminds me of the Naked 2 palette. So anyways, so this is the Profusion Cosmetics brow makeup case. I will leave the link to the products down below. It comes with so much like brow products. Like you just need this box basically. Oops, knew it was gonna fall. And you're basically sorted. So it comes with a mirror, like all the packages come with a mirror, which I quite really like. And then you have like all the colors that you probably would need to fill in your brows. It also comes with a spoolie and a brush, which I'm going to be using, and also a pencil if you want to define your look. It also comes with the brow wax, which is the first thing that you use to set your brows in place before you fill them in. And then you have the beige highlight. Maybe you can, I'm going to try and use it to sort of define my brows as well. So we're just going to try this out. I've never tried this, and this is the first time I'm going to be trying this. So, and like on the box, it actually tells you how you can use the product. So definitely check out the box. So they said first to basically use the spoolie to set your brows in place. So that's what I did. And now we're going to use the brow wax to just set our brows in place before you fill them in. I'm using also the brush that the palette came in. I will be leaving the price of these products as well because I don't know them like by heart, but when I'll be editing the video I'll be inserting them somewhere around on the screen. You will definitely see them, but the prices are quite affordable, and yeah, they have a variety of products and they mostly come in these big packaging, so you get so much for like the product that you're paying for. Okay, so that's my brows in place. Now, just a side note, I don't really know how to do brows. It is something that I'm still learning, so please bear with me. There's 4 shades. There's medium brown, soft brown, chocolate, And ash brown. I don't know if I should use soft brown. Let me try with soft brown because it looks like it's the lightest. Or should I use medium brown? I don't know. Yeah, I think medium brown is more my color. So I use medium brown. Let's go over what I did. So I just do it and then I will come and tell you what I thought of the product. But as you can see, like, they're very pigmented, the shades, so it will be easy for you to fill in your brows and not have a trouble when doing so. I think the wax really helped as well. I always had like this trouble where I never managed to match my brows. Like, I mean, I think they look okay. I think they are the same, I'm not sure though. Like this always comes better than this one, I notice. Anyway, so that is me using the medium brown shade because I think that was the best shade for my eyebrows. Okay, so I really like how my brows actually turned out. I think it worked really well. So this brow palette I think is quite like a great palette to have. Oh, I didn't use the pencil. So that you also get a pencil, which basically means that you can like perfect the edges of your brows. So you can use that, but I'll just use that. So it blended really nice with the medium brown as well. So I like this. I like this. I think this is a thumbs up from me, this brows. Okay, so the next two things I'm so excited to try out. We basically have two eyeshadow palettes. So the first one is Nude Eyes eyeshadow makeup case, and then the next one is Amber Eyes eyeshadow makeup case. So I'm just going to show you what both look like. So you have this one, which is the Nude Eyes, and this looks like a natural eyeshadow palette, which you can, you can do smoky eyes as well for the nighttime. So you have like daytime shades, but then also you can transition them to a nighttime makeup look. Then the one I'm looking forward to trying out is this one. It's the Ember Eyes eyeshadow palette. It reminds me of like, you have some modern renaissance shades over here. Both of the shadows have like a mix of matte shades and shimmer shades. And they also, the palettes also come with, a brush, a double-ended brush. So you have like a blending brush and then a flat eyeshadow base brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use both palettes, so you see the shades of both palettes, but mixing either or. I'm just going to swatch some shades for you. So this is Thoughtful. Thoughtful is from the Amber palette. Then we have Talented from the Nude Eyes palette, and then this one is Clever from the Nude Eyes palette, and then the final one is Clarity from the Amber Eyes palette. So as you can see, they're so pigmented. So yeah, the first shadow that I'll be using is Outgoing from the Amber Eyes palette, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be placing it all over my crease, and I'm going to use the brush that it came with. Because I don't really like the brush, so I'm just going to use my own blending brush because I find that it's a little bit stiff. So this shade I think applied really nicely. Yeah, it blended nicely onto my eyelids. Now we're just going to see how it works with other shadows. So I'm going to use another shade from the Amber Eyes palette. I'm going to be using Amour, which is this one right here. It's a nice pink shade. I'm just going to pick it up on my blending brush, and we're just going to see how it blends with the other shade. I'm just going to do the exact same thing, put it into my crease. So first build it up in the outer corner and then blend it into the inner parts of your crease. I like that. So we're just going to use another color, but this time I'm going to use it from the Nude Eyes palette. I'm going to use Devious, which is this dark brown right here. And I'm just going to pick it up first on the brush that we got. So tap it, press it onwards, tap it. And then take the brush we used before. You can just take a fluffy brush, blend it, and then inwards, blend it inwards. I don't know, this is a technique that I use on every makeup look I create, basically. Now I'm going to do a little bit of a cut crease, and I'm going to use the brush that it came with. Just taking my concealer. I'm going to do a half cut crease. I'm not going to go all the way. That's the cut crease I prefer. So just put up your eye so you know where you can, to where you need to do the cut crease. So now we're going to take, I think I'm going to use Talented from the Nude Eyes palette. So it's this one right here. So I'm going to dampen my brush a little bit. And I'm going to be using, first I'm going to be using Talented, like I said, from the Nude Eyes palette. Okay, don't want a lot. And I'm just going to be placing it on the outer part of the cut crease. But then I'm going to be taking Chatty. I want to just see the effect of this. Chatty from the Amber Eyes palette, which is this one right here. And with the other side of the brush, I'm putting it in the inner parts. Blend everything out. I'm just going to use a more that I used before. I think I'm going to use Chatty. I'm going to try and like put it where I put Talented, because I don't think I like the effect that I gave. I prefer Chatty. And now using a pointed brush, I'm just going to do my eyeshadow underneath on my waterline. So I'm just going to use Chatty and blend it on my inner parts. So it will be nice and bright. And also putting it on my inner corner. Oh, I love Chatty. So, so pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to take a more. And then finally I'll take Devious, which we used before. Okay, so I really like the look that I got from the finished end result. I liked using Talented underneath Chatty. But I didn't want to just leave it as Talented on top because it seemed sort of dark with the makeup look that I was, you know, I have. But I like topping up everything with Amour, the pink shade. I think it just blended out really, really nicely. I'm just going to go finish up my makeup look, and I'll be right back to finish up my video. So I'm back, and I basically finished my makeup look. I just did my bronzer, my highlight, my lashes, just did some mascara on my lashes, and then applied some lipstick. But I really like the finished makeup look. I think that the eye makeup really looks good, and it blended in nicely, and I'm happy with it. I'm happy how it turned out. I love the shade Amour, which is the pink shade that we used from the Ember Eyes palette. So yeah, these 3 products are a definite like thumbs up from me. I really like them. So thank you so much to Profusion Cosmetics for these products. I really enjoyed testing them out. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this look. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more from my channel, then press subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. I post every Wednesdays, so my next video will be on Wednesday. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!